Hi students, how are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Children, today we are going to see mathematics and chapter 10. Chapter 10 we saw what we saw A, B, C, D, isn't it? Find the missing length, measure the sides of the given shapes like that we saw. And today exercise 10.1, the E1, solve we are going to see. Can you see here children? Solve. See this E sum we are going to see. Okay children, this is word sums. This is word problem we are going to see. Okay children, we'll see the sums. Okay children, see, we are going to see solve. The first sum, listen carefully. Understood children? You open your book. It's given in page number 166. It's given in page number 166 and you read along with me. Okay children? Hari Ram has to put a fence around his rectangular field of length 15 meter and breadth 10 meter. Okay children, what is the length of a fence? What is the length of the fence needed? If he has fence 20 meter, how much more fence is needed to complete the boundary? This one only we are going to see. Okay children, see, Hari Ram has to put a fence along his rectangular field. See, rectangular field means what children? This is rectangular, isn't it? Rectangular field. And what's the length children? Can you see here? What's the length? 15 meters. So this is length and this is breadth. Okay children, this is length and this is breadth. So here what children? 15 meter, and here what breadth, how much meter? 10 meter. So these two is given in the book. So what you have to do? You have to write this also. So again here what will come children? 15 meter and breadth 10 meter. Okay children, Hari Ram has to put a fence around his rectangular field of length 15 meter and breadth 10 meter. So first we have to find the length of the fence needed. Length of the fence needed. So what will come children? What will come? See, Hari Ram has to put a fence around his rectangular field. Rectangular field of length what children? How much? 15 meter plus 10 meter plus again what will come? 15 meter and plus 10 meter. So when it's very hard to add like this. Okay children, so what you can do, in the rough work in the right side you can write 15, 10, 15 and again 10. So you can add this 3. You can add this 3. 5 plus 5, 10. Carry over here. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So total fence to be needed is what children? So what's the answer children? So what's the answer will come? The length of the fence needed. Total length of the fence needed. So first answer, total length of the fence needed. How much children? 50 meter. When we add this 4 we get, so what will come? 50 meter. 50 meter. So two questions they have given. First they have given what is the length of the fence needed. So total length of the fence needed is how much children? 50 meter. And then the second question, see, listen here children. If he has fenced 20 meter, see, yes, if he has in 50 meter, if he has fenced 20 meter, how much more fence is needed to complete the boundary? If he has used 20-meter fence, what is the remaining? You have to find out. So he fenced how much, children? He fenced how much? 20-meter he has fenced. So fence needed to complete the boundary. Fence, so another answer. Fence needed to complete the boundary. So what will come, children? What you have to do? What you have to do? From this 50 meter, you have to minus this 20 meter. So what will come, children? 50 meter minus 20 meter. So 50 minus 20, what's the remaining, children? 30 meter. So he have how much fence is needed? 30 meter. So first answer is 50 meter and second answer is 30 meter. Understood, children? Children, you have to do and practice. Don't look at the like English, no need to read. You have to work the sum so that it will be very easy. Okay, children, can we see the second sum, children? Yes. Every morning, Mr. Ali walks around a triangular park. Triangular means what, children? This is triangular. Okay, children, triangular park of sides 90 meter. See, now sides, 3 sides are there. So one side is 90 meter and second one is 120 meter and 150 meter. Okay, children. So a triangular park is there. In the triangular park, the sides are 90 meter, 120 meter and 150 meter. How much distance does he walks every morning? So you have to add these 3. How much distance does he walk every morning? You have to find. And the second question is, Mr. Kapoor takes 2 rounds. Ali takes 1 round only, but Mr. Kapoor takes 2 rounds of the same park. So how much distance does he walk? So here also 2 questions is there. First we will see the first one. Okay, children. Yes, every morning Mr. Ali walks around a triangular park. You have to know which is rectangle, which is triangle and all, children. Okay, triangular park. So how much, children? See, 90 meter plus 120 meter plus 150 meter. So can we add like this, children? It's very hard. So what you can do, children? 90 plus 120 plus 150. So 0, 0, 0, 0. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 5, 16. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So how much meter does he walk, children? 360 meter. How much distance he walk? 360 meter. So for the first question, what's the answer? Distance. Mr. Ali walks every morning. Is it how much meter, children? 360 meter, and this is the first question answer. And the second one, we have to find Mr. Kapoor takes 2 rounds. So what will come, children? So Mr. Kapoor takes 2 rounds. 2 rounds of the same park. So first how much round, children? For one time means 360 meter. So 360 meter plus again 2 round means again 360 meter. So what will come, children? So it's very hard, isn't it? You can do it in the side. 360 plus 360. 0, 0, 0, 6 plus 6, 12. 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. So what's the answer, children? 720 meter. 720 meter. So the second answer, what will come? Distance Mr. Kapoor walks every morning. Is 720 meter. So for the second question, this answer you can write is 3. So first answer 360 Mr. Ali and Mr. Kapoor 720 meter. Okay, children. For this one, I'll put for the first one like this and the second one like this I'll put. Okay, children. Okay. Here also the same. First question, this one's for the second one. Okay, children. Have you understood? Okay. We'll see the third sum. Okay. Shall I read, children? A square mirror. A square means what, children? Square means all the sides are equal. Isn't it? Here also the hint they have given. All the sides are equal. That is called square. A square mirror of side 30 centimeter has to be framed. See, how much centimeter, children? 30 centimeter. So, all the sides are equal means what will come, children? Here also 30 centimeter. Here also 30 centimeter. And here also 30 centimeter. Okay, children. A square mirror of side 30 centimeter has to be framed. What is the length of the frame needed? So, first question. Here also 2 question is there. What is the length of the frame needed? So, what you have to find? A square mirror of side 30 centimeter has to be framed. Okay. So, now the length of the frame. What question they have asked? The length of the frame. What is the length of the frame needed? They have asked. So, the length of the frame needed. Needed is what, children? 30 centimeter plus 30 centimeter plus 30 centimeter and plus 30 centimeter. We have to add this 4. So if you add means what will come, children? 30 plus 30, 60, 60 plus 30, 90 and 90 plus 30, what will come, children? 120 centimeter. So what's the answer, children? So what's the answer? Answer is needed is 120 centimeter. The length of the frame needed. Is 120 centimeter. Okay. Now they have asked, listen, see here, children. Give the answer in meters and centimeters. See what they have asked. You have to write this 1 centimeter in meter and centimeter. You have to convert, they have given. So, see, 100 centimeter is equal to what, children? 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Then 120 centimeter is equal to what, children? 1 meter and 20 centimeter. So, this is the second answer. Okay, children? 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. So, 120 centimeter means what will come? 1 meter, 20 centimeter. Okay, children? Are you thorough in the third one? Okay. Now, we'll see the fourth one. Okay. Only 4 word problems I have given. Okay, children? Rita has 1 meter long ribbon. Rita has 1 meter long ribbon. She uses it to decorate the given handkerchief. how much ribbon will be left over. So you have to write 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You have to convert. You have to use this. Okay, here 1 meter long ribbon is there, no? So we have to use write as 100 centimeter. Handkerchief will be square only, isn't it, children? Okay. See here. This is handkerchief. Okay. So in the book they have given in one side is 15 centimeter and the other side also 15 centimeter. So what you have to do, only these two is given in the book. But what you have to do, children, all the sides are equal. So what you have to write, here also 15 centimeter and here also 15 centimeter. Okay, children, all the sides are equal. So in this first what you have to do, see, Rita has a long ribbon. Rita has a long ribbon. Has a long ribbon of 1 meter, isn't it, children? Of 1 meter. So what's the hint they have given? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. You should keep it in mind. Okay, so she used ribbon used to decorate her handkerchief. So what you have to write? Ribbon used to decorate the handkerchief. So the ribbon used to decorate the handkerchief is what, children? See, can you see what centimeter they have given here? 15 centimeters. So 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter plus 15 centimeter. You have to find out. So you can write like this and you can add. Otherwise it will be very hard for you. Yes. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Carry over 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So, total the length used to decorate a handkerchief is how much need? 60 centimeter. 60 centimeter. Okay, children. Only 60 centimeter is needed to decorate the handkerchief. But how much long ribbon she is having? 100 centimeter long she is having. So, what is the remaining you have to find out. So, how much ribbon will be left over? Left over means what, children? Remaining ribbon left over you have to find out. So, ribbon left over. This is first answer. Okay, children. This is for one answer. And the second one, ribbon left over. Left over, what you have to do, children? You have to minus 100 centimeter minus 60 centimeter. So 100 minus 60, what will come, children? 40 centimeter. If you feel hard, it's very, you can do it like this. 100 minus 60. 0, 0, 0. After 6, you count up to 10. What will come, children? 40. Okay, children. So, what's the answer? Leftover, ribbon leftover is 40 centimeter. So, this is one answer and this is one answer. Okay, children. Only 4 word sums I have taught you. That's enough, children. So, you have to, as soon as I send this video, you have to copy down the same day so that it will be very easy for you. Okay, children. We will see in the next class. Take care. Bye.